This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, you can see that yesterday the market has shown some moderate reaction on some escalation conflict in the Ukraine by this upward action. As you remember, in our weekly research we have announced some suspicious on the price action on the 4-hour time frame chart that it was not very typical for reversal pattern. So initially we have thought that here market could form some sort of the could say head and shoulders on the intraday chart, starts retracement down, but intraday price action inside trading session here was not very typical for pattern, for reversal pattern, and not very typical for the head and shoulders. That's why we have said that, guys, be extra careful with the short positions, tight stops on Monday, because market could show the opposite action. And so guys, those of you who have read this issue, this thread, probably remember this. And we have got this action that is very difficult to predict on the escalation conflict on the Ukraine. But at the same time, this reaction was moderate, so we couldn't say that's really just doom and gloom, and market will continue move to the upside right now. At the same time, technical analysis and technical tools a bit depressed by the geopolitical risks and fundamental information that comes from the financial markets. And that's why we probably could meet the situation where the application of technical issues will be a bit limited by more significant geopolitical events. At the same time, right now we see that market is forming something that looks like the bearish engulfing simultaneously with the bearish stop grabbers that suggest the taking out of these lows. And as gold market is really kind market, I can't exclude that market could show the downward action and still could show retracement down here from this area. If again nothing will happen, some drastic events will not come from the Ukraine in the nearest future. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that on the previous week we also have suggested this moment, but later when the market has started move down here, we just have not update this moment and didn't mention it again in our updates, but still you can see that looks like it was important, because when the market has shown this move to the upside, we said take a look, the market hasn't quite reached the 1618 extension and could start move down. And we said that if you would like to take the short position, place stop somewhere above this 1618, because market could really return right back down and hit it. And as market has done this by this action on Monday, also it has hit the 127 extension of that swing. I can't exclude that this could be some sort of the free drive sell pattern. We will see what will happen, but this could really happen, and market has shown now really fast opposite reaction, and that could mean that market could really continue move lower. This action to the upside was also be confirmed by this hidden bullish divergence with the MACD indicator. We also have discussed this in our yesterday research. So what we could do right now, currently, guys, in such circumstances that we see on the daily time frame chart, I don't want to take the long position here. I still think that if we would like to take the long position, we need some dip on the daily time frame chart to take the position on the retracement. And with patterns that now are forming on the daily time frame chart, that is potential bearish engulfing That is potential here, the 3 drive pattern. That is potential bearish stop grabber on the daily time frame chart. In such circumstances, I do not want to take the short position. I will be ready to take take the long position, of course. I will be ready to take the long position on the gold market if I see some fast upward continuation with the erasing of all patterns that now are forming here, and we'll see some real acceleration through the resistance that where market stands now. That will just tell us how market is really strong. But right now, until that will not happen yet, I still stands with my former trading plan that I need to see the dip on the daily time frame chart to take the position. Speaking about the short entry, well, I do not see any objection against this in the short-term perspective, because we have no possibility to predict what will happen on the political scape of the globe. That's why all that we could do is just to deal with the technicals, and technicals suggests still possible downward action, because that was some moderate reaction to the upside that already has been erased. The market could return right back down below these highs. So this also could look like some sort of the Russian rings on the daily time frame chart. Market is forming the bearish patterns, so that's why I have no objection against possible taking the position in favor of these patterns. But we should understand that this is accompanied by the significant risks. That's why if you would like to take the short position, well, we could do this with the retracement on this candle to the downside, the stop somewhere above this area. Because currently, from the technical point of view, market has no reasons to show upward action right now, because all extensions have been hit, market has hit daily ABCD pattern, stops that have been placed here already has been vanished, market is forming the bearish grabbers, and the invalidation point of this grabber stands right here. So if market will return right back up, this will probably mean that there will be no retracement in the nearest future, and market just could continue move right to the 1360 area. That's the target in the short-term perspective, and that is yearly pivot point, as you remember. That's why if market will start move to the downside, will start retracement down to the 1280 to 1285 area, it should do this probably right from this area and right now. So that's my current view on the gold market. So right now I absolutely have no objection about the taking scalp short position on some retracement on this swing down with the stops above these highs. On the long position, until currently, I prefer to see a retracement to some significant support area before taking the long position on the daily time frame chart. Taking scalp long here, personally, I wouldn't do this. I do not want to take the position against the patterns that now is forming here. Well, and I probably will start to watch for taking the long if only market will erase of all these bearish patterns and will accelerate right back up without no respect to this fib resistance and to completing point of this ABCD pattern. Only if this will happen, I probably start to think about the long position, because market in this case will show us how it's really strong. That's my current position on the gold market. So let's see. Let's monitor the progress on the gold market, because it really could be the primary market for trading, taking into consideration all events that now are happening in the world.